Hello, I am Priyanka Mahajan. Today we are going to discuss two interesting terms in English language, COMPLIMENT and COMPLEMENT. These two terms are commonly confused. They pronounce same. Originally these two terms share same meaning, but over the time these two words got entirely different meaning. So let us learn these two interesting terms. COMPLIMENT complement and COMPLEMENT complement. Let us see the definitions. COMPLIMENT, a compliment is anything pleasant said by you in order to make someone feel good. COMPLIMENT compliment means to admire or praise something or someone. COMPLEMENT, the word compliment can be used both as a noun and a verb, which causes something to appear to work better and indeed more appealing or effective when united with another. Compliment means something that enhances something. A compliment, COMPLIMENT, is a word, act, or a circumstance that expresses gratefulness, acknowledgement, or honor to someone. On the other hand, COMPLEMENT compliment refers to anything that fills up the lacking, that is, something that completes another. It indicates counterparts, that is, one of the two parts which enhance the value of the other when they are together. The COMPLIMENT compliment is a formal way of showing gratitude, good wishes, thanks, or respect to a person. As against COMPLEMENT, compliment is something that completes another or brings near to perfection. COMPLIMENT complement. This complement can be used as a noun as well as a verb. As a noun, compliment is a polite expression of praise or admiration. It is sometimes synonymous to congratulation. Compliment as a verb refers to politely congratulating or praising someone. If a person says you are wearing a nice dress, then that person is complimenting you. As a noun, the word compliment refers to a courteous expression of praise and appreciation. On the other hand, as a verb, we use the word compliment for courteously congratulating or appreciating a person for his achievement or performance. Let us understand its usage. Positive assertion expressing admiration, commendation, and approval. My teacher never paid me compliments for my good performance. When you say to keep it up, I took it as a compliment. Showing appreciation for someone. The customer just complimented the waiter for his outstanding performance. The college management complimented the topper by organizing a felicitation function. Compliment refers to complete or improve the looks or quality in something by providing what it requires, meaning that it contributes or additional features to another thing such that its quality is emphasized or brings it to perfection. Let us have a look at some points given below to understand its usage. Increasing the quality of something by combining with it. Tea and biscuits complement each other well. The necklace complements her dress completely. It can be a set of people or things which complete something or provides something which it requires. She is having a full complement of dresses and sandals along. Finally, we have a full complement of highly qualified teach us in geometry when the particular angle is less than 90 degree, the degree to which it is less than 90 degree is called complement. In grammar, it refers to that part of the clause that gives additional information about the subject. Compliment, compliment as a noun. Examples: give my compliments to the chef for such a wonderful dessert. Andrew's behavior was a compliment to his mother. He paid me a polite compliment and I returned his compliment. When he said that your hair is like fire, he meant it as a compliment. Compliment as a verb. Examples: he complimented her on her appearance. I must compliment all our students for their support and hard work this year. Everyone complimented her on her performance. Compliment. Compliment is defined in the Oxford Dictionary as a thing that contributes extra features to something else in such a way as to improve or emphasize its quality. In simple terms, when something enhances something or goes well with something, we say that it is complementary. So, if we say the wine complemented the food, it means that the wine went well with the food. We always compliment when we are talking about two things. Look at the examples below. To understand this meaning better, note that complement too can be used both as a noun and a verb. Compliment, compliment as a verb. The soft music complemented the graceful dancing style. The new dining table complements your kitchen so well. Your new shoes complement your dress perfectly. The piano complemented her voice. Noun. This sauce provides the perfect complement to the dish. The couple got a compliment that they complement each other. Your attire complements your personality. You will get lots of compliment at the party. See here, in last two sentences you find the use of verb also and noun also. Examples of compliment. The client has sent a greeting card and bouquet as a compliment. The compliments and criticism for the novel is taken graciously by the author. The compliments given by the judges boosted morale of the contestant. Compliment, these curtains complements the wall better than that one. Pizza and cold drink are perfect complements. In spite of fighting, if we team up, then we will complement each other. Difference between compliment and compliment. Examples: compliment, thanks for the favor. I wish I could return the compliment. The manager complimented on my presentation. No contestants received compliments from the judges. Compliment, I think you need spectacles that complements your outfit. The new product will complement our old product on the market, which in turn increase the overall turnover. Knowledge of computers is a necessary complement to every discipline these days. So students, today we have seen the concept of complement. Very soon we are going to meet again. Until then, keep watching my videos, keep learning and be safe. Thank you and bye.